This 2023 Winnebago Minnie 2301 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 29 feet 9 inches in length and features Sleep 7, water heater, LP detector, refrigerator, stove top burner, microwave, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, Slideout, smoke detector, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Winnebago Minnie 2301 BHS is 6,773 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.